Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got more trunks to open. I hear those sturdy lock chests from last time that were locked, so we're gonna get to see what's inside of those, and we have a whole bunch of mithril bound trunks, iron bound, and sealed crates. So let's get to cracking. Let's see what's inside. Last time we ran out of inventory space. Looks like we're gonna be cutting it close this time as well. Okay. Got some mage weave, some potions. Thick leather, nice. Alright. Money inside that one. No greens as of yet, but of course we shall take a look at those. Of course. Speak of the greens, and they shall appear. 910 Gothic plates, Balders of the Boar. Ooh, that's a big one. Alright. Gossamer Cape of Intellect. 29 armor. Oh, a similar name of the Falcon. These sort of pure stats ones. I think they're a little bit more rare. That's also level 39. Interesting. Our first mana potion makes an appearance. Aquamarine. Excellent. I think there are some boots that I want to apply speed to, so those will come in handy. Let's crack these sealed crates. Let's see what we get. Heavy blasting powder, mithril casing. Alright, that's like a little pretty good right there. Let's go ahead, let's open these right here. Okay, we're gonna move these down. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Let's line this up a little bit better. Excellent. Lots of potions. These are going to be good. I'll put these to use. Hold on. Okay, just making sure nothing popped over in that bag. Alright, let's open this sturdy lock chest. Let's see. Bolt of wool. Bolt of silk. Medium leather. Alright. Let's take a look at these ironbound. Another bolt of silk, a little bit of heavy. Pretty good stuff right there. Mage weave, rune cloth. This rugged leather is spiked in price recently. Oh, we also got a mana potion. Just money in that one. One more to go. Ooh, big one. Nice. Okay, let's line this up. Let's see. Put that over there. Put this over here. We'll line up these potions on the bottom. Do it like this. Let's take a look at our greens. A little sparse on the greens today, but that's okay. It's alright. So, yeah, I'll just put this over like that. Alright, let's take a look at this green set. Oh, the shoulders and the boots match. And that cape is looking to fly. Very cool. Interesting pattern on it. Awesome, alright. Here's the greens once again if you guys want to take a closer look. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.